Okay, good morning, students. Today we will discuss the sample paper questions, sample paper 2021, class plus 2. So I am going to discuss these questions. Okay, students, look at here. Question number 34, write a function L shift. Then there are two parameters here in Python which accept a list of ARR of numbers and n as a numeric value by which all the elements of the list are shifted to the left hand side. So in this type of questions, I'm copying this. Okay, students, in this type of programs, you will have to make only the function, not the complete program. We no need of write complete program, only the function. Look at here. Function start with keyword def. Function name given here L shift. Inside two parameter ARR, here is a list and n is a numeric value. Now after that, Sushant, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Now प्रोग्राम इज सेइंग कि आपके पास जो भी आपके पास वेरिएबल्स पड़े हुए हैं उसको आपने राइट हैंड साइड में उतने नंबर से शिफ्ट करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन द इंडेक्सिंग. So we know that indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we want that E30 will be in a first location, then 40 will be in second location, then 12 like this. So if the n is 2, so automatically it will be shifted. We start the loop for I in range. We take here so if n is 2, so we will start from 2, then it will be go up to length of ARR and minus here is the length of ARR. Now next is we take one variable m is equal to 0. M0 will be ARR I. So in ARR 0, ARR I की value आ जाएगी. Then we will make one increment in M. In I there will be okay students. So it will shift all the elements from now. After that, The problem is that the last two elements remain as it is. Okay, so what we will do here, look at here. So look at here, this will be the output. So this is the output. So you will make only the function. You will not make the function calling. तो हमें function calling यहाँ पे नहीं देनी. सुशांत, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. तो माई कंसेप्ट इज कि इन पेपर आपके पास फंक्शंस बनाने के लिए आएंगे तो यू विल मेक ओनली फंक्शन. जो नीचे की तरफ आपने फंक्शन कॉलिंग और वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर करने, नो नीड ऑफ दैट. ठीक है. आई एम लुक एट हियर, you will write this coding only. So I am going to make another program. Okay, but the next program is write a program, write a function transfer. It will receive array and its size as parameter. The function will transfer all the even values to a list ARR1 and all odd values to a list ARR2. For example, if ARR contains and after processing, ARR will one contain even values 12, 14, 16, and ARR 2 will contain 11, 13. So this is the program. So I'm going to make this program. So I am making here one function name is, in your question, function name is given here, transfer ARR and N. N will be the size. So I start the loop for I declare one array 1, empty array, empty list, ARR2, empty, for I in range N. If ARR I percentage 2 double equal to 0, in that case we want to append that value in ARR 1. ARR 1 dot append value will be ARR I location. Else ARR 2 dot append after the loop print ARR1 contains so we declare one array outside the function values are then we call the function and its size is 5. I'm going to run the program. So look at here. So this this is the format, means how you can solve the function programs. Manvia, this is clear, beta? Manvia, unmute yourself.
Sir. Yes, sir.
इशपनीत,
हाँ जी सर.
बेटा ये क्लियर है कैसे प्रोग्राम बनाने हैं आपने?
Yes sir.
So you will write only the function. You will not write the statement outside the function. Only this one.
Okay sir.
Okay, beta. Now look at here. there is another program given in your sample paper. There is a string program function दिया हुआ है. Last year आपने without function आपने implement किया था, and now you will get the program with the help of functions. Look at here. We call a function display, and inside the display function there is a fun@python 3.0. So first of all, I will write indexing. So here is fun @p capital python 3.0. So when we call this function, the fun at python 3.0 will be received by str. So str will equal to fun @python 3.0. Now I am writing here the indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 3 in the 10th location. I'm giving one space for dot in 11th and 0 in the 12th location. Now, when we call the function, str value will be fun at python 3.0. We start the loop, start from 0, and length of string means last character, up to last character. If the character is upper, we will convert that into lower. If it is lower, we will convert that into upper. And in case it is not a upper, not a lower, then we will check its location. If location is even, then we will take the previous value of m. So we are concatenate the value in m, or otherwise we will add hash. So look at here. I'm taking string m. First character is capital F. So this is uppercase. So we will convert this into lowercase and add in m. So here is small f. Then there is small u. We will convert this into uppercase and add in m. So here u will be in capital letter, then n will be capital letter, @sign. Now @sign is not upper, not a lower. We check the location. Here location is 3. It is not even. तो अगर even location है तो आपने previous character लेना था, पर अब इसकी जगह आप लोगे hash. Because location is 3. 3 is not an even number. Next is capital P. It will be small p. Small y की जगह capital Y, small t, capital H, capital O, capital N. Now 3 is not a upper, not lower. लोकेशन जो है इसकी 3 की 10 है, तो हमने m का प्रीवियस लेटर I-1, तो इसका प्रीवियस लेटर क्या था n, तो कैपिटल N एज इट इज आ गया. नाउ आफ्टर दैट डॉट अगेन, दिस इज नॉट ए इवन, it is not a upper case, it is not a lower case. Now dot की जगह हमने लोकेशन चेक की, it is 11, तो 11 is a not a even location, it is old location, तो उसकी जगह आ जाएगा hash. Then 0, तो 0 हमारे पास है लोकेशन 12, तो उसकी जगह पिछला कैरेक्टर दैट इज hash. तो ऑन स्क्रीन fun hash python then hash hash, it will be displayed on the screen. Aditya, the answer is clear. Kshitij,
यस सर।
बेटा आउटपुट क्लियर आपको?
यस सर।
ठीक है, इस तरीके से पाइथन के फंक्शंस के प्रोग्राम आ रहे हैं आपको, आउटपुट के प्रोग्राम, फंक्शंस बनाने वाले प्रोग्राम्स। अब और एक चेक करते हैं हम यहाँ पे। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 27, difference between actual and formal parameter with a suitable example. So look at here. Okay, students, next is the question is different between actual parameter and formal parameter. The parameter which we give at the time of function calling is called actual parameter, and formal parameters are those parameters which are declared in the function definition. For example, so look at here. Here, m and n, these are in function calling. These are actual parameter. But a and b, these are declared in function definition. So this is called formal parameter. And remember one thing, actual parameter, in actual parameter, we can give variable, we can give expression, means any statement, means calculations, कोई equation आप दे सकते हो. Even we can give any constant value. But in formal parameter, these must be variable. So these are the two differences between actual and formal parameter. Sushant, it is clear?
Yes, sir. All clear.
Okay, beta. Next question is explain the use of global keyword in the function with the help of a suitable example. Beta, in a discussion I have discussed, there are two type of variables, global variable and local variable. A global variable is a variable that is declared outside the function, and a local variable is a variable that is declared inside the function. For example, here I declare a, and that is a global variable. Then we declare variable b, this is local variable. Now problem is that the local variable can be used inside the function. We can't use this outside the function. But the local global variable can be used anywhere in the program, inside the function, outside the function. In case we are declared local function variable and we want to access it outside the function, I am repeating, if we declare a local variable but we want to use it outside the function, we will have to make it as global b. Now I can use outside this print b. Look at here, I'm copying this. I'm running this. So look at here, 30 and 20 both are here. Wait. So look at here, both are accessible. But if I am not making B as a global, I am running the program, there will be error because the accessibility of B is within the function. Ishpreet, that is clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
So next is so this in sample paper, these are questions from functions. Rest of topics are linked with the function, but topics are still pending. For example, file handling. तो यहाँ आगे भी इसमें क्वेश्चन फाइल हैंडलिंग के हैं विद हेल्प ऑफ फंक्शंस, पर हमने अभी तक फाइल हैंडलिंग डिस्कस नहीं की. लुक एट हियर, राइट ए फंक्शन इन पाइथन, बिकॉज दीज आर लिंक्ड विद फाइल हैंडलिंग. सो विदाउट फाइल हैंडलिंग, here we discuss the different programs that are linked with functions. So if you have any doubt, you can discuss with me. Okay, students. In functions, I want to discuss one more thing, that is in Python we follow one rule that is called LEGB. L stand for local environment. It means every variable preferred its local variable. कोई भी फंक्शन अपने लोकल वेरिएबल को हमेशा प्रेफरेंस देगा. First, it always prefer local variable. Then it preferred enclosing environment. Beta, time is over. Tomorrow we will continue. Okay, take care. Bye, beta.